We recently got a P0171 or a P0171 code and a P0300 code on this 2012 GMC Terrain with a 2.4 liter engine. P0171 is just too much oxygen. P0300 is a random or multiple cylinder misfire, which from what I understand can be caused by P0171. So I've already fixed this, but I'm just going to show you what I did to resolve that problem. So we'll start by loosening the strap on the air intake filter. Okay. And down here on the throttle body, there is another right here. If you can see that, but there's another strap that we'll have to loosen. From here, you can just pop it off of the throttle body. And back here, there's two posts that you can just pop the intake off of. There we go. The hose off. On this side, come around, there is a PCV hose. So I'll try to get some better light for you. This is a new one, so it's in there pretty good. So just remove your air intake box, whatever that thing's called. Now we're gonna have to pop off the engine cover. First thing you'll have to do is remove the oil cap. And this removes kind of like the back of the first part. We're just gonna pull it off of the pins. Take off the cover. Put your cap back on so you don't get anything in your oil. When I first took this off, I just was looking around. This PCV, I think these are both PCV hoses is what I think they're called. So when I was first looking around, this hose actually seemed fine, but when I grabbed this hose, it literally busted into pieces. I'll show you how it looks. That thing literally just busted into pieces when I grabbed it. So that was a pretty good indication where my vacuum leak was. Also, it's a good idea to cover up your intake or your throttle body so you don't have anything fall down in there. So I'm just going to show you how to replace these. Super simple. So far I've just loosened a couple of straps and pulled some things off with my hands. The flathead screwdriver is all I've needed for this so far. So this piece I'm not going to take off because it's kind of a pain, but this just slides onto a piece of metal. And I'm not going to take that off. I don't want to damage this. But pretty self-explanatory. You should be able to figure that out. This piece will pop off. So here you have a little white tab that you just push on and pop off of this nozzle there. Back here, this is the more difficult one. Back here, and it slides onto another nozzle here. So here I can feel the same attachment as this. So this is all you're doing back here. I know you can't see it, but so do this and pull it down. Okay, there. It's a little tough. I'll just show you the part. This is what you're looking at. So put your new piece in. Snap it up into place. Same over here. Snap it back in. Put everything back on. Don't forget to take your glove off or whatever you plug this with. Pop your oil cap back off. Place your oil cap. Take your air intake, put it on the throttle body. Line your posts back up. Snap it on. Put your air filter hose back on. Tighten down the straps. Tighten your throttle body strap as well. All right, let's start it up. So far, so good. I've driven it around quite a bit. Codes have not come back on after I cleared them. Time will tell, but I'd say we got this fixed. So all in, that was about a $35 fix. One hose was completely crumbled that I absolutely had to replace. The other I replaced just because I was doing it. So like I said, it was only about $35 altogether. The only tools I used was a flathead screwdriver and a light. So hopefully this helps you out if you're throwing a P0171 or a P0300 code, or both together. Give this fix a try. Thanks for watching.